Hello everyone, this is Gazan Rathod currently welcoming you all to my YouTube video. This is my first YouTube video about on this channel, I guess. I've done a pretty much different shit on YouTube right now. Till today, yeah. I'm doing okay. Yeah, so I am starting with this new channel where I will do everything about programming. Like I want to document my programming journey. Basically, I am in fourth year of my undergraduation, and yeah, so let's start with the video. So today's video is basically going to be that I'm going to solve a DSA problem, which is quite infamous DSA question. Sorry, it is a overrated question, I guess. It is a two-sum problem that everybody goes and starts their career with. Me and my friends basically have started the career with this two-sum problem, which obviously I've done a couple of times in the past years, and today I'm going to revisit that problem because I'm going to start DSA back, and yeah, this time with you all. So basically, the problem we will head to it, but before that, I would like to say you that I'm going to continue this DSA series and also maybe development also soon. And yeah, so if you are following me from today or tomorrow or whenever you see this video, just go through this playlist, and I would be uploading each like one video a day, I guess, at least every day, and maybe more than that, or sometimes I will live stream, whatever I can do. So do check out this channel, follow, subscribe, do whatever you wish to do with this channel, because yeah, this is Gajanan, a new programmer turning into a professional one by the end of this series, I guess. Yeah. So let's start. Okay, hope you are able to see the screen. Yes. So, yeah, just I just did this like I recorded this video a minute ago, but it didn't got recorded. So yeah, here's what the solution is. So mm, okay, yeah. So the let's like go step by step. When you are solving a problem, DSA problem, what I expect you to do is just go through the problem statement first, like read it one by one. Don't get confused. If you get confused, read it again and again till you have the clear like means what you have the clear imagination or memory of the question. So basically when you have the clear memory of the question, you can go further and you can like think on the solution. So what can be the solution? First go with the brute force solution. Then when you know the brute force solution, then you can think of optimizing it, like what else you can use, what data structure can you use so it can be more efficient. So this problem is one of the best ways to explain you about that thing. And when you know, like when you have a pen and paper with you, then you just write the solution on the pen and paper, like just the means blueprint of the solution. And then when you start coding, you should have the correct solution in your mind, and then you should start coding. So let's start this question. So in the question it is mentioned that given an array of integers nums, an integer that is target return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Okay. You can return this answer in any order. Hmm. Okay. So basically, the question says that you have one array that is named nums, and in that nums array, you have plenty of numbers. You don't know the count, like nums dot length is the count now, and target is a number that they have given you, like and you have to find two numbers in the array that sum up to target, right? So let's take an example. This is the example one here. Nums the nums array is 2 7 11 15, and the target is 9. So in this, if you take 2 and 7, you probably know, like by saying I can understand that 2 and 7 are the numbers that I'm going to return. But what the thing is, I have to return their indices, right? So I would return the indices. So when you first see this type of question of arrays, mostly you have to iterate through it. So I know that I have to iterate through it, and if I iterate through it and like fix the number 2 and then iterate through the rest of the array and find the second number, so it will be easy for me. Like consider like this. uh, I have one for loop where I have index I, that is the first index, right? I'm fixed the number 2, and then from index 1 to the last index, that is here 3, I would iterate the array again. So I have two for loops, and I can get 0 and 1 as indices, and then I can return it. So the thing is, the trick here is, okay, if I do by this method, it would be O of n squared. So this is the brute force method that I came along, and I would just write this and now just think on optimizing this. So what I can do is, what if I iterate, and while iterating, I store this 2 in somewhere, like might be any data structure. If I store this 2 there, and afterwards when I go in front, I have 7 now, and 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Do I have to? Yeah, I have to store in that data structure. And if I check in that data structure that if I have to, and that returns, yeah, you have it, so I can basically return the indice of it and this. So basically it would be just one iteration, right? In one iteration saves a lot of time, right? So it would be O of n instead of O of n square. So this is one of the optimized solutions. So I can basically code this solution now. So the first thing is, I have the solution in mind. So basically what you have to do is, when you have the solution in mind, just yeah, create a blueprint in your on a pen and paper. So right now I have that blueprint in my mind. Basically I don't need to create it because this is an easy question. So basically what I would do is, I need to store indices and the number, right? The element and its index. So what if I choose hash map? Yeah, that would be the perfect thing that I can choose right now. So basically, yeah, I am choosing a hash map, like creating a hash map right now. Hash map of integer comma integer, right? This is the perfect thing. I would name it map for now, and then new hash map. Here is the code for it. Yeah. And now I would like to iterate through the array, right? Int I less than nums dot length. Everybody knows why nums dot length, and I plus plus. So yeah, this is the thing. Then what I said to you is, I would want to, like, if 9 minus 2 is equals to 7, and if 7 is in the list, I would want to return that. But if it is not in the list, I would like to put this 2 in the list, so that further I can use this 2. Yeah, you know that what I'm doing, right? If you don't understand, please just take a little back and understand it, and then come forward. Okay, so if, this is the if sentence, if map dot contains key, yeah, that is target minus numsci. hmm. Target minus numsci. See, from this solution, 9 minus 2, if the map contains 9 minus 2, that is 7. So what I would do, I would return the indices. So let's jump. First, it doesn't contain, so I would put the 2 in there, and when it moves to the 7, like right now, map dot contains key, that is target minus 7, that is 2. 2 is there in the map, right? I've stored that 2 in the map. So basically what I would do is, if I have stored that 2 in the map, I would want its what I can say, the indice, and return it. So what I will do is return, right, new int, basically, and yeah, new int. What I would want to return, I would want to return I first, I comma. Now you can return the answer in any order, so it doesn't matter what I'm returning, first or second, it doesn't matter, right? I comma map dot get, right? I want the key, map dot, yeah, I want the value or key, whatever. Map dot get target minus numsci. Yeah, I want to get the value of this key. Hmm. And what if it doesn't contain you? So when it does not contain in the map, so what I would like to is map dot put nums I comma I. This is the key, this is the value, done. And if there doesn't exist a solution, return int, that is, sorry, new int without anything, that is an empty array. So I guess this solution should work. So what I would do is try running this one. Okay, 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 okay. Oh shit, shit got fucked. Oh, it does run. Let's submit it. I've submitted this question a lot of times out now, and yeah, it is what it is, accepted today. So basically, I gave you one clear thing here is when you are solving such problems with DSA, just there is one hint you could do. You could go with. First, wait a minute, I would like to switch the screen. Yeah. Whenever you are solving a problem of DSA, just first in your mind, clear the question. Read the question twice or thrice, or whenever, how many times you want to read it, just clear it in your mind, head, then move to the like given example test cases. From that example test cases, try to get a solution, that is the brute force at the first time. Yeah, you can go with the brute force. Then after getting the brute force, try optimizing that brute force. And when you have the solution, like have a blueprint of the solution on paper, and then code that problem directly. Don't move towards coding. Yeah, that is the last part, and coding everybody can do. Just think the question in your head and get the answer first. Yeah, so this is it. This was the first problem that I've solved on this channel, and I hope that I keep on solving on this channel and also growing with you all. I also aim to get a good job like you all, and wish you all the luck. Follow me on my journey. Follow me for more tips and tricks. I've been solving DSA for a lot of time now, and I guess everybody of us gets that dream company. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. Bye bye. Signing up. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe, that hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that is the main thing you have to do. Bye. Bye.